In today's video, I am sharing a spring Easter tablescape look that is pretty in pink and magazine worthy. Welcome back to Amethyst Adventures, and if this is your first time visiting the channel, I would love to welcome you. I hope you enjoyed today's video and that you return as a family member. On this table, I'm featuring several items I purchased from Temu, starting with those beautiful pearl napkin rings and also a bunny runner. From Hobby Lobby, I got those gorgeous napkins a couple seasons ago, and these beautiful glam candlesticks were from Home Goods. I have a thrifted pink Depression-era pitcher that I'm going to place my florals in, and some beautiful bouquets that I thrifted as well. Then I'm coming in with white and gold dinnerware and flatware, beautiful pink placemats, and some thrifted egg plates. So sit back, relax, grab your favorite drink, and enjoy while I put this pretty in pink look together. And I'll meet you later at the reveal. Happy Tablescape Tuesday, the weekly open collab hosted by the Ladies of Elegance, myself and the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. Links to both our channels as well as the playlist will be found in my description box below. I hope you enjoyed this pretty in pink tablescape and that it gives you inspiration to create a beautiful tablescape for Easter at your home. If you enjoyed today's video, do me a favor and give it a big thumbs up. It helps out so much. And consider joining the Amethyst Adventures family. Honey, it's free, it's quick, and it's easy. Just click on that red subscribe button and hit that notification bell so that you will know when I upload a brand new video. And to all of my tablescaping creators, Tablescape Tuesdays is an open collab, and you are welcome to join us any Tuesday at 6 p.m. Simply create your tablescape video and be sure to use our hashtag Tablescape Tuesdays 2024 so we can find you and add you to the playlist. And be sure to join us April 9th, where we have a special guest host. Andrea Mason of the Queen's Court is going to grace us with her royal presence and a spring theme. That's April 9th at 6 p.m. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.